Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for joining me for this super quick project share. I created a notepad holder using a old school tutorial that I have actually remade, and I'll leave that down in the description for you. I was commissioned to make this. Samson's teacher asked me to make a Western inspired one, beach and army, so I'll be sharing those later on. But right here, I just finished the class and I just had so much fun teaching how to create this. Oh my goodness, this is something you can do if you've never made a book before. This is a wonderful beginner's book to start out with. I actually got some of the paper individual sheets from Hobby Lobby. So this is Paper Studio. I've got some wood grain. You'll notice some cow print as well as some paisleys. And I popped these up and fussy cut them out and added them on there. Then I had some brads in my stash and a little bit of twine and popped up this piece. How cute and simple is that? Some ribbon from the Dollar Tree and some more stickers actually. I believe it's from La Petite's from the Paper Studio as well. So these were super cute little additions. Right here I have an angled pocket and I stuck some of those little elements from the sticker sheet right there. I thought that was so cute. Little bit of denim, a little bit of paisleys. I kind of mixed it up and kind of just explored what I think Western would really look like. And again, we have a nice ribbon holding a pen or a pencil of your choice. I show you how to stick that on there. And then an interchangeable notepad right here. And this slips out. I got the cow print right there on the top of this. Way super cute. And I just put a little bit of wood grain right there. And it slips right back inside. Oh my gosh, it was so fun to remake the tutorial after several years. One of the first tutorials I ever made. And I'm so happy to be back with an updated class. And it was just so much fun. Again, I'll leave the class down in the description. And I hope to see you there. Thank you everyone, and I hope you are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'll see you next time. Bye.